Hi guys, assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're very fine. May Allah bless you. And this beautiful so friends, I hope you will like us and my unique ideas. I hope you will like it. And this beautiful so friends, I hope you will like us and my unique ideas. So friends, these stylish ideas are most fashionable and unique, so friends, I hope you will like it. These collection ideas are most fashionable and unique new designs, and friends, I hope you will like it. Already interested in different unique new designs ideas. If you don't have subscribed my channel, so kindly first of all subscribe my channel. In these beautiful videos friends, I can share with you my amazing and different Christmas wreath ideas. Christmas wreath collections are very beautiful and fashionable, so I hope you will like it. And this beautifully so friends, I hope you will like it. Enjoy my unique ideas, so friends, I hope you will like it. Already interested and different, hope you will like it. Enjoy unique, so already interested ideas, so friends, I hope you will like it. And this unique new design. Christmas wreath ideas, so friends. And this beautifully so friends, hope you will like us in there. Very unique ideas, so friends, I hope you will like it. This idea, so friends, I hope you will like us in there. Very unique ideas, so friends, I hope you will like it. This beautifully so friends, I hope you will like it. And this unique new designs ideas, so friends, I hope you will enjoy. This all very interested, so friends, I hope you will like us, enjoy my all these amazing and unique new designs areas. So I hope you will like it all very beautifully. And this all amazing unique new stylish ideas so beautifully, so unique ideas.